Hello, this is Arya. Welcome to Orissa Post Live, and you are watching today's top headlines. Orissa Skill Development Department Wednesday informed that all the technical institutions in the state will reopen from August 9 for final year students. Besides, hostel will also reopen with strict adherence to COVID protocols. The National Testing Agency has extended the registration date for NEET UG 2021. Candidates can now apply for the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test till August 10, 2021, 5 pm. NEET 2021 scores will now be considered for admission to various BSc nursing courses. Orissa government has decided to set up 14 more RT-PCR laboratories in the state to speed up COVID testing. With this, almost all the districts in the state will have dedicated and sophisticated testing centers, Director of Health Services Bijay Mahapatra said today. Previously imposed restrictions for people coming to the state from outside Orissa, which required production of COVID negative report or the final vaccination certificate, has been withdrawn by the state government. The much-awaited sea trials of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant began today. This is the largest and most complex warship ever built in the country. With the launch of the sea trials of Vikrant, India has joined a select group of countries that have the capability to indigenously design, build, and integrate a state-of-the-art aircraft carrier, Indian Navy said. A brave Indian women's hockey team put up a gritty performance, but it was not enough to secure a maiden Olympic final berth as it lost 1-2 to world number 2 Argentina in a hard-fought semi-final. India still have a chance to win the bronze medal as they will take on Great Britain in the 3rd-4th place playoff match Friday. Meanwhile, Indian boxer Lavlina Borgohain signed off with a bronze medal in the Olympic Games after a comprehensive 0-5 loss to reigning world champion Busenas Surmeneli, bringing an end to the country's campaign in the sport. Meanwhile, in wrestling, Ravi Dahiya became only the second Indian wrestler to qualify for the title clash at the Olympic Games when he sensationally turned around the 57 kg semi-final bout by pinning Kazakhstan's Nursullam Sanayev. Wrestler Deepak Punia will fight for bronze medal after he was outclassed by formidable American David Morris Tyler in the 86 kg semi-finals. Indian golfer Aditi Ashok got off to a brilliant start at the Olympic Games, carding a 4 under 67 in the opening round for a share of the second spot at the Kasumi Ghasiki Country Club. Star javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra kept India's hope of an elusive Olympic medal from track and field events alive by earning a direct qualification into the finals with a stunning throw of 86.65 meter that put him on the top of the Group A contest. That's all for today's top headlines. To stay updated, keep watching Orissa Post Live.